Doppler residuals indicating the main engine has started.
Copy that. That's good news. We're still awaiting confirmation of that in the zone.
Well, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California erupted in cheers and applause as Juno entered the orbit around Jupiter at 3:53 GMT on Tuesday. Juno was launched 5 years ago and has traveled nearly 3 billion kilometers. The unmanned spacecraft will remain in orbit for 20 months. In its final orbit, Juno will dive into Jupiter's atmosphere, where it will be crushed and vaporized. Well, our reporter Hendrik Sybrandy visited Colorado, where Juno was built. Let's take a look.
The scariest thing to me about Juno are the unknowns.
It has all the elements of a science fiction movie.
Deep inside this body are the secrets we're after.
But this is quite real.
It's the big bully of the solar system. And what we want to understand is, how did this solar system form? And to understand that, we need to know what's inside Jupiter.
Juno was assembled at the Lockheed Martin Aerospace Company in Colorado and packed with scientific instruments.
Liftoff.
It was launched in August of 2011 and has traveled 3 billion kilometers through deep space so far. Now it's practically on Jupiter's doorstep. Juno is going where no spacecraft has gone before. It's the farthest vehicle from the sun to operate on solar power. And it's designed to get within 5,000 kilometers of the planet.
What Juno will do, which is very special, will be to fly in very close, fly over the poles from one north to south, and map out very, very close in to Jupiter.
Fran Bagenal is a scientist at the University of Colorado Boulder. She's coordinating Juno's study of Jupiter's powerful magnetic field and the intense aurora activity at the planet's poles.
We're flying through million-amp currents, and it's a little scary to be doing that.
The spacecraft will measure the amount of water on Jupiter and help map out the interior of a planet that has stronger radiation and gravity than any other.
Everything about it is extreme. It's a planet on steroids, right? It is the most extreme in every way it can be.
What better place then to look for ingredients as we write the recipe of our solar system?
Jupiter is exciting. It's the big bully, but at the same time, it's very beautiful. We're all intrigued about how this object is put together.
It's a monster.
Scientists hope Juno will provide a year and a half's worth of data over 36 orbits. But first things first.
Jupiter orbit insertion.
Going into orbit could be the riskiest part of this historic, true life mission. Hendrik Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.